Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my humble home in Livingston, Montana. Okay, let me see if I can get this camera in focus here. I'm hoping you can see this Benchmade everyday carry folder here. But I wanted to point out what I consider is a pretty doggone serious dysfunction with this knife, and hoping to persuade a few people not to buy this. Normally, I've got nothing but praise to say about Benchmade knives, but what I'm about ready to show you is unacceptable in my opinion. This is called a Grizzly Ridge. It's a folder, an everyday carry folder. Well, it could be an everyday. It's what I've been using as my EDC anyway. But here it is. This handle, this orange handle that you're seeing on here is all wrong. Okay, now look. This handle, as of yesterday, was covered. It had this outer layer of this thin crap. Look at this. I'm hoping the light is in here right so you can see this. It had this thin, layer of rubber over the top of this. I'm assuming this is nylon. But this doggone stuff, I've owned this knife for like a year or so, and it slowly but surely started peeling off. Here's the other side right here. I say, both sides. And while the family was sitting around, and we're enjoying our Thanksgiving dinner, of course, I just had achalasia surgery and I couldn't eat much. But I just sat in my easy chair and just finished slowly peeling this covering off that was already starting to fall off. Benchmade should have never put scales like this on this Grizzly Ridge. They should have just used, nylon, G10, whatever, and forgot trying to, get tricky or smart or whatever have you with this rubber crap. I mean, this, I'm so ticked off at Benchmade because of this deal right here. Now, I don't even know if I'm going to I know I can send this back, and for a nominal fee, they're going to put in the other set of scales on here, but why do I want the same problem? I don't. You see what I'm getting at? No matter what you do, you get a set of scales with this rubber sheathing or whatever you want to call it on the outside, and you're always going to have this problem. And for a knife that costs over $100, this stuff is unacceptable. Now, I don't care what anybody says. So I take back anything that I've ever said good about a Benchmade Grizzly Ridge. That's what this particular knife right here is called. It's what I've been using as an EDC. And sure, it's still a usable knife and everything, but nonetheless, $100 knives, their handles shouldn't be falling off. Benchmade, you should be ashamed of yourself. That name right there, that emblem right there, you can do a lot better than, let me get this in focus. You can do a lot better than this garbage right here. So fair warning to you guys out there that are considering purchasing this knife. Thank you very much for visiting me in my home here in Livingston, Montana. And adios, my friends. We shall see you on down the trail.